Hey friends, if you wish to create a desktop shortcut in Windows, then I will explain two best procedures for this. So, be it any file, be it any program, any launcher, anything. Okay, I'll select a file. You can select any folder, you can select any launcher, any program, anything. Right click on it, select show more options, click on send to, and then select desktop create shortcut. And let us see if it actually created a shortcut. So yes, it did create a shortcut. Here's the shortcut. And if you wish to use the other method, then press the Windows key and the R button together. Make sure that the field is clear. Pull the file here. You'll get its path. Remove the apostrophes and then copy the path inside it. Now right click in the open space. Select new shortcut. Paste the location here. Okay, and then click on next and then click on finish. It will create the shortcut here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.